Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how you can add contents to your website using Google Sites. Now, do not worry if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Sites. You're a beginner or even a first timer and is not yet very proficient within the software, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process and everything that you have to know when it comes to doing these things. Now, for those of you who don't know, just for a bit of context, Google Sites is a free web-based tool for creating websites, and it is ideal for both personal and professional use. Again, this is free and this is web-based, so you do not need to download anything nor pay for anything, and everything is accessible through your browser. Now, I must mention, before getting started, I want you to make sure that the browser you are using is completely up to date, and this is so that we can avoid any unexpected errors that may come along our way if we do so. Now, let us get started in uploading the contents to our website. Now here, as you can see on our right hand side, we have the different of options that we can choose from, and there are actually plenty ways that you can upload contents on your website, and the most popular one is by using content blocks right over here. And this is actually a great option because you have the layout already, and the only thing that you have to do is to change the data on it. So for instance, let's say example, I would like to use this one. Now from here, I can upload an image. So I can upload directly from my computer. You can select an image from your Google Drive or from here. You can even insert a YouTube link or a video, a calendar, and maps, like so. So let's say, for example, I want to insert this location right here. Click select, and as you can see, it automatically inserts that Google Maps we have entered. Now for instance, I would like to upload an image directly from my computer, like so. And from here, we can add on the text box, we can edit the text that we would like to add, like so. And as you can see, as simple as that, we can already add contents on our Google Sites. Now you can also add table of contents from here, image carousel, which is going to require at least 2 images because this is some sort of a gallery of pictures. Now you can add a button right here. You can add a name on your button. Let's say, for example, YouTube. And then on the link, it's youtube.com. You can actually see that if we click this, it takes us to youtube.com, like so. Or you can change it, say about. For the link, I will link it to the page about. Click insert, and now as you can see, if I preview this and click on about, it will redirect me to the about page, like so. See, now there are plenty ways on how you can modify the contents inside your website. You can even insert a Google Docs file by clicking on it. As you can see, we can insert a whole Google Docs file over here, in which they can open up in a new link, like so. You can insert other Google softwares from here. Again, you can put YouTube links. Let's say, for example, I want video of dogs. I would select this one, click insert, and now as you can see, we have the video that we have just inserted from YouTube itself right there. Now if you would like to insert text box by yourself, you can click on here to add the text box. You can insert your text, change its font formatting. Now we have already discussed about font formatting on every Google softwares in the past, so you might want to check out the previous videos. You got the standard bold, italic, and underline. You got the text color over here and the font here. You got the font size here, like so. And so you can add a text box, you can add images, embedded links, and files from your Google Drive. As simple as those options, you can add a variety of contents to your website for free, and it's hassle-free. Everything is at your own convenience. And that's it for this video. If you learned something, please consider subscribing hitting that notification bell, and dropping a like. Also, give us a suggestion on what you would like to see from us next. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.